gotta take control. Life's too short. Get out of your head, make a better life instead. You gotta give it all your best. So put your hands up to the sky and live your best life, alright. Don't just let it go by, just try, oh my. Got only one life, got only this time. We gonna get it right. You gotta let go of those who don't belong in your tribe. So cut the bad out of your life. Yeah, do it one time. You gotta work till you're winning. Yeah, take control of the system. When you invest, it's addicting. No time to rest, go get it. Not gonna stop till I'm finished. Not gonna drop to my limits. Deep in my chest, I'm inhaling. Believing, testing, and failing. You gotta flip everything in your mind. Take the limited thoughts and turn them into your why. Prove to yourself you're worth it. You deserve it. Push past all the hurt and find your purpose. You gotta take control. Life's too short. Get out of your head, make a better life instead. You gotta give it all your best, so don't let go.
Jsi normální tam, do piče!
Never gonna stop, no way, no. Yelling out, hey, yo. Headed to the top, no way, yo.
Ty vymr...
Zbytek není úplně publikovatelný. Čert se, jak bych to řekl, docela čertil.
Ale tak přechod, ne do prdele.
Get out of your head, make a better life instead. You gotta give it all your best, so don't let go. Take control. Get out of your head, make a better life instead. You gotta give it all your best, give it all your best.
Jakože kot tam mluvil jako duky, jo? Ne, jo. A co to bylo, co to je za knížku? No, ty jeho...
Neděláme auta pro lidi.
Následující záběr není úplně pro slabší povahy nebo pro milovníky zvířatek. Takže pokud se necítíte, radši to přetočte tak o 10 sekund.
I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder.
Tak to ten bude jasný, ten Na tom je to ceny, že?
Jo, slyšeli jste správně. Vážně si ten debil ještě zatoubil. Teda co? Však jde rovně, tak to je snad jasné, na přednost, ne?
A mimochodem, ano, i na tomhle krátkém plácku platí přednost zprava.
Já si měl přínos, ale...
Přednost prava. Přednost prava.
Ale prvně zastavíš, ty vole, se rozjedu, tam letíš.
Protože on mi tam letí do toho.
To bylo to ťukání na hlavu, vole.
Já jsem říkal, přednost prava.
Co bylo to ťukání na hlavu? Jsi dělo, vole?
Mám kameru, nevyhrožuj.
No a co jako?
Mám kameru, nevyhrožuj.
A co jako ty blbečku?
Hele, sorry, ale asi tě zklamu. Na takového vocasa to ani já nemám co říct.
I swear to make a difference. If you need a mentor, I got something for you, kid. Just watch the way I move and try your best to copy it. Like a CEO, I move like an athlete pro. I party like a rock star show.
Get ready.
Gives you a chance for greatness, and you can waste it, or you can take it. Take control of your fate and chase it. I've been running towards dreams since I was just a kid. I've been held down, held back, hated. I've been pissed off, mad, frustrated. I've been loved, admired, and finally made it to the other side where I realized something sacred. It's not about what anyone else thinks of me. It's all about how I live, what's my legacy. Am I happy, did I give fucking everything, or did I hold back, scared of all the uncertainty? I think differently, that's all different, see. That's what happens when you take control of destiny. I have dignity, my pride it lives in me. And now it's time to teach others how to win with me. I move like an athlete pro. I party like a rock star show. I live every day like my last, never know. I run it like a